Unlock the doors for free. Understanding free entry. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, free entry. This term is common, especially when talking about events, competitions, or places like museums and parks. If you're keen on making the most out of visiting new places or participating in events without spending a penny, then understanding this phrase is key. Let's dive in and explore the various contexts in which free entry is used. The phrase, free entry, means that there is no charge or fee to enter a place or join an event. It is a simple yet powerful term that encourages people to participate or visit without worrying about the cost. When you see free entry advertised, it's an open invitation to come and enjoy whatever is on offer without the need to pay. Free entry can be seen in many places. Tourist attractions, some historical sites, museums, and galleries offer days or hours with free admission to attract more visitors. Events, festivals, fairs, or exhibitions might have free entry to increase their attendance or as a part of a promotional offer. Clubs and bars. They may advertise free entry on certain days or before a specific time to draw a larger crowd. While free entry sounds straightforward, there may be certain conditions attached. For instance, an event with free entry may have limited access to certain areas, or a museum may ask for donations instead. It's always good to check if there are any specific details or conditions that come with the free entry offer. It's important not to confuse free entry with free access. While both terms imply that something is free, free access generally refers to the ability to use a service or resource without restriction, whereas free entry specifically relates to the act of entering a space without payment. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you take advantage of all the free entry opportunities you may come across. Remember, whether it's a local event or a new exhibition, free entry can provide enriching experiences at no cost. Keep exploring and enjoying new experiences. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.